Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make light with RCBO circuit breaker wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, RCCB circuit breaker, contactor, RCBO circuit breaker, light. Phase connection input to DP MCB, neutral connection input to DP MCB, neutral connection from DP MCB to connect RCCB, phase connection from DP MCB to connect RCCB, output connection from RCCB to connect contactor, neutral and phase connection to RCBO circuit breaker, output connection from contactor to connect light, neutral connection to contactor another point, output connection from contactor coil to connect RCBO, phase connection to connect RCBO. This circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.